I am going on a solo hike today. I am definitely a little bit nervous, but here we go. An offline map would make me feel a lot better. Waffles acquired. So, I still don't have a phone mount for my car. We're just gonna wing it. I'm on the forest road. You can basically see how bumpy it is from how my camera is going. I'm a little nervous. I haven't seen any other cars come up. I am a little bit late. It's around 9. There's 12 kilometers left of this. This is so stressful. This is a little embarrassing, but it started snowing. Like, not hard, but hard enough to freak me out. I was literally a kilometer away from the trailhead and I just couldn't do it. Because right before the kilometer, there's a huge hill that I didn't want to come back up. Like, this bridge right here is completely white and those are my tracks. Look at that. I wish it was sunny here, but it's literally snowing. I don't see the clouds clearing. Well, okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Like, my entire body is reacting to this. Okay, I'm at the parking lot of the Chief. I'm currently parked in the climbers parking lot, but there's the hikers parking lot. I'm just gonna hike to it because whatever. And here we go. I'm trying to get there. And I feel so much better about doing this hike because there's other people here, especially because it's my first and I have no satellite communication. Looks like the sun's out and the sky is blue. So I've been thinking about it during this hike, which is half the length that would have been my actual hike. And because it's sunny, I'm kind of regretting chickening out. Definitely regretting it, but I know it's good that I turned back because it was a struggle drive. I'm tired. It was a hard hike. It's getting real steep. Real steep. Oh, I just made it to the top. I am exploring the peak. I think I can see the peak of the hike I wanted to do. I think it's that guy right there. But it looks so cloudy and possibly snowy, so I'm actually glad I didn't do it. Lunchtime. I think I saw some bear poop and I'm a little bit nervous about that. Sanitize my hands. I mean, a couple people saw me though. But I saw a couple people too. I got cold, so I put on a bunch of layers. Excuse me. I had a plum by my lonesome in silence and some dried fruit. It's actually really nice. There are a couple people that I saw and I know that saw me, so it is kind of reassuring. But I'm not the only one here. Yay. There's cashews. I packed cashews too. I packed enough food so that if I die or I'm like stranded and like injured or something, I can like sustain myself for a while. Not like a long time, but long enough. My binoculars, I got them for free. I gave someone my jewelry box I don't use, and they gave me these. Oh my god, that's so cool. I see people running on the field. This can get so creepy so fast. Wow, I see someone climbing. This view. It's incredible. Wow. I'm hiking back now with all my layers on. It got really cold up here. Just past the split where the second, you can access the second peak, but I want to take a nap at home. Oh my gosh, everybody. Big sad, I dropped my toque on this hike. It was in my pocket and I knew I was gonna drop it, but I didn't do anything about it, and then I dropped it. I went back up to find it, but I couldn't find it, so we're saying that it's gone. I just got to the base. I genuinely considered running up, dropping my bag off at my car and running up to find my toque and my beanie, but I decided that my legs are way too tired. Definitely not gonna make it for sundown. Sun's already setting now. That's okay. I'm gonna head home and we're gonna be good. I'm so sunny. The Chief, the hike that I just did, is like a huge climbing central. So I'm in like a climbing parking lot. There's so many people who are rock climbing. People have like headlamps on too. Hardcore. This was hard. I mean, if it was easy, I'd run back up and find my toque. So I can't. I'm too tired. I just got home. Today was so much fun, even though I didn't make it to the hike that I wanted. That is totally okay. I'm totally okay with it because I feel like I put my safety first, and I'm proud of me for doing that. I apologize for not having so much energy in this video as I usually do, just because I was super tired and I was really demoralized from not being able to do the hike of my dreams. One day I hope to really show you this beautiful and amazing hike. I also got a new beanie, yay! RIP beanie, but if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, especially if you found it a little bit therapeutic, watching me and be in nature, all that kind of stuff. If you have any questions about hiking alone, let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to answer them. See you in the next one.